So this is a little reminder video, and I'm going to remind you about perfect square trinomials. So I'm going to ask you to pause, and let's do 2x plus 5 squared, and let's do 3x minus 1 squared. So go ahead and pause and square those out. Don't fall in the pit of death. I am also, I don't know if I can pause and write on the screen, so I'm just going to keep going here. So this is going to be 4x squared. So this is 10x, and there's 2 of them, so we're going to have plus 20x plus 25. And this one's going to be 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. And to remind you, so why don't you pause again and list, how do you know that something is a perfect square trinomial? What characteristics does it have to have? So hopefully you paused and listed the characteristics. I like to do them with little check boxes. The first term is a perfect square. So boom, perfect square. Also 4x squared, perfect square. Okay. Also, the last term is a perfect square. One, 25, those are perfect squares. And then we have the troublesome middle term. The middle term is the most challenging one. The middle term has to be 2 times the square root of the first times the square root of the last. Okay, so the square root of 9 is 9x squared is 3x. The square root of 1 is 1. So we have 1 times 3x, which is 3x. And we have 2 of those. That's why it's times 2. Because when you multiply this out, 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1, you get this 3x and you get this 3x. So there's 2 of them. So 6x. And the middle term is 2 times the square root of the first times the square root of the last. Same here, we get 2x, we get 5. 2 times 5 is 10, times 2 is 20. So we're just going to do a little review on perfect square trinomials because you're going to need it. So your next assignment is just a little perfect square review. It should be a quick one. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm really proud of you.